All right, so let's talk about Lucid real quick. The market has been struggling right there around $3.03. You guys can see it got rejected or restricted even at $3.34. What's next? Let's talk about it, because we shouldn't be surprised that the market in Lucid did get rejected right here, this pocket of selling. We talked about it on our video on the 19th of December. Okay, that's why we placed our target right there at that pocket of selling, because we said, look, this would be the next point that we would look for sellers to come in the market in Lucid and try to restrict the price, try to restrict the buyers from going up higher. That's precisely what they did. So I want to say congratulations to you who was able to bag 27% out of that prediction. Let's get rid of it. Let's also get rid of this pocket of selling there into the market in Lucid. And now we need to talk about what we think is going to happen next. Given these days right here, we need to remember that this area of selling is still viable and alive. We still have sellers here in Lucid. All right, we still have that. So please be prepared to either go through some volatility. A couple of days market might run up to that pocket of selling, then the next day they'll come down because those sellers are still there selling. And if the market in Lucid holds the range like this, if it hugs it real tight, then we'll be looking for the market to go higher. Okay, so let's see what's going on in Lucid on the weekly first. So as right now, I can't say that I'm extremely bullish yet. What I would like to see though is price in Lucid hold. Look like there's a pocket of buying right there in Lucid. Okay, so it'll be great to see the market in Lucid hold this pocket of buying right there. If they do, fantastic. I would be looking for the market to continue to break out, go higher, go above this pocket of selling at 334 to 339. I will be looking for the market to break above that. And right now, it does seem as if these buyers are currently trying to. I'm not saying that they're going to be successful, but they're trying to hold the market right now in Lucid. All right, let's see what we got on like the 17. Yeah, you can definitely see right here on the 17-minute bar that that buyer come in and try to support the price. Even here on the 15. So now take a look at this on the 2. This 2 kind of had me worried right here. This 2-day bar. Now we have 8 hours and 55 minutes left on this current 2, which is why I'm telling you this could be an area that the buyers are trying to hold the market in Lucid. But we still have 8 hours and 55 minutes. Right now, they're doing a great job at keeping the sellers at bay. The buyers have enough money to absorb all of the people trying to sell their Lucid into the market right now at that price range. But we still got 8 hours and 55 minutes. If the market in Lucid closes on the low of that current 2-day price bar, then the buyers did not win. The sellers won. Okay. Here it is on the 3-2. I'm very aware of the last completed 3-day price bar as well as the one on the 2. Both of these bars is telling us that this stock currently is weak. We're in the process of determining though if the buyers are there. Here it is on the 4. Again, the last printed 4-day bar also looks weak. Here it is on the 5. You guys can see it, right? What about on the weekly chart? See that, right? 8 hours, 54 minutes left. What about on the 2? Lucid on the 3. Here it is on the 5. And then on the monthly. Okay. So what do you think? Should we drop a prediction into the market in Lucid? Or should we give the market a couple more days to see if these buyers are here? I think we need to give it a couple more days. Because as of right now, I would have to lean more towards sellers having an edge right now. But there's a sliver of hope currently being created on this daily price bar yesterday that is kind of saying, look, yeah, those buyers are currently there though. So when you get this type of indecision, this is where you just simply sit back and let everyone else put their money on the line to make that determination if the stock is still bullish or will we see price go down in Lucid. So I know I've taken 5 minutes of your time, but that is how we're able to break down a chart and let us know whether or not if there's an opportunity or should we wait. So I'm just going to wait and we'll see what happens. There'll be more opportunities. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.